My favorite online community is Facebook, because Facebook gives me the opportunity to communicate fast with my friends and family across borders. Most of my family lives in Zealand, so it makes it easier to keep in daily contact with them. My friends and I also communicate faster on social media rather than texting. I use Facebook to many practical things, and I am a member in different groups. All my work schedule will be uploaded on Facebook, and it is the only place I get them. Also in school, Facebook has turned out to be very useful because we among other upload our German or art work, so our teachers can see all our work. When I was 6 years old, my family and I moved to Bornholm. It was a strange feeling to leave everything behind me and all the things I was growing up with, but also all my friends and the safe surroundings. My best friends from Copenhagen named Emma and I had to say goodbye, and I think that was the hardest part for me. We are at the same age and we had known each other since we were born. It was like traveling far away from a family member. At the time I only had a mobile, but I couldn't spell, so I had to call if I needed to communicate with someone. When I became 10 years old, I convinced my parents to give me Facebook. I only played a few games, and I had 4 friends. And that was my mom, my brother, my grandmother, and a new friend. One day I was thinking about Emma, and I wanted to find her on Facebook. But I couldn't remember her last name, and we hadn't spoke to each other for 4 years. Suddenly my mom remembers her last name, and I was searching for her in a long time, because there were many with the same name. Especially one profile picture fell into my eyes, and it didn't take a long time before I could confirm that it was Emma. I wrote to her if she remembers me, and then she replies that she has been looking for me too. Finally, after 4 years, I had found her. Since that day, we kept in touch, and we are still friends today. In 2015, I received a letter from Emma, and she invited me to her confirmation, and I was very happy. The day of her confirmation was a great day, and I was honored that she would share it with me. Facebook links friendships, families, and strangers together, and therefore Facebook is my favorite social media.